Hi guys, so today I'll teach you how to change color of your clothes using Canva. First, we have to choose the photo and then we have to grab the subject para mas madali yung pag-edit natin. So we have to use Magic Grab. As you can see, nahiwalay na natin yung subject sa background, so mas madali na. So we just have to copy it first and then go to edit and we can try adjust, and if we choose the color of the clothes which is pink, kung makikita nyo kung paglalaroan natin itong tatlo, yung hue, saturation, brightness, nadadama yung skin natin. That's because yung skin natin may touch of pink din kasi. So another option is we use the Magic Edit. Then we choose the clothes. So, then, inuna ko muna yung shorts. Then, I ask Canva to change the color of the clothes into navy blue. Then, you just have to choose your shade. Then, do the same with the top. So, I chose navy blue para mas madali yung pag-edit natin later kasi yung skin natin wala naman touch of blue. So, hindi na siya madadamay mamaya. And then, since navy blue na siya, madali na yung next na editing natin. So, copy it first, and then, edit, go to adjust, and this time, we can just choose the color blue, and as you can see, hindi na nadama yung skin, so, madali na nating mapipili yung color na gusto natin. So, gusto ko pa ng isa pang kulay. So, pinili ko ulit yung dark blue or navy blue para mas madali ulit mag-adjust. And then, go to adjust. Select the color blue. And then, this time, gusto ko ng something light. Light blue. So, ito na. Ayusin lang natin. Hope may natutunan kayo. Thank you!